Okay, what's up, guys? We got the kill switch for the C8 Corvette. The year is from 2020 all the way to 2025. It will come. It's a plug-and-play unit. You'll get the installation video once you purchase it. If you're out of state, don't worry. If you're in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, we do provide the installation for you at no cost. You just buy the system and we'll do it. Otherwise, if you're out of state, we'll ship you the kit and we'll give you the installation video. It shouldn't take you no more than 15-20 minutes to do it. It's a plug and play. There's no wires cut. There's nothing that will prevent your car like you have to cut things or do anything like that, which I don't recommend in this car. This is not that battery thing that you shut the whole power to the car either. I don't recommend that either, because you're turning off the whole electricity of the whole car every time you get out, which is not going to be pretty good for the BCM, turning it back on and rushing all that power to it. So yeah, this is a brilliant system. If you have any if you in need for it on Corvettes, C7, we have it for the older model, and C7 and C8. Give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Now we're going to show you what to do. It comes with two fobs. The other one you keep at the house. The only thing you have to do before you start the vehicle is press button number 1, and then you can do your thing by opening the door or whatever you got to do, and then the car will start. We're going to get ready to show you first that the car doesn't start if you don't press the button. Okay, I'm locking it. Purposely, I'm not going to press button number 1. I'm going to show you that the car won't go anywhere. Okay, car won't start. Then I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. I'll go ahead and okay, I'm going to go ahead and press button number 1 now on the fob, and now the car will start. Okay. Alright, so what you do is when you turn off the car and you arrive to your destination, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to press anything or do anything. Just get out, close the door, and the system will arm itself in 30 seconds. The only thing you have to remember is to disarm it before you get in. And most people have a habit, as they're walking towards the car, you can just hit the button here, and you can just get in and start the car. You can do it while you're sitting down before you hit the start. Remember to push button number 1. Okay, and it does have a valet mode. If you ever want to disable it, you can hit 1, 2, puts it on valet. That's in case gonna leave it at a shop or whatever, which I tell people mostly of the time, just reverse the process. It's very easy to do. Instead of explaining to anybody that you have to press number 1 here to get the car started. It is a little inconvenient. Some people say, well, I really don't want to press the button here and do this. Well, and then, I'd rather sleep good at night and knowing that you wake up in the morning, you're going to have a car then, because you don't feel like doing the number 1 here and then starting the car. You don't have a car in the parking lot at all. It's the same thing, with cars that back in the days we used to install those little kill switches. It's the same thing as reaching somewhere while the kill switch is hitting and flip it before you start the car. It's the same inconvenience. So unfortunately, we live in a day and age that you have to do a step or two to do things. Just like in your house, you have to put a key in the door to open it. I wish you can just open the door and walk in. Like in the 70s, nobody used to lock the doors in the house. They used to just walk right in. But it is what it is. You have to do, fortunately, you have to protect yourself when you have nice things. So if you're in need for this product, feel free to call us. We'll ship it to you. It's a 3-day free shipping. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and we do not explain where it's installed or how to do it. It is a plug and play, but we're not going to get into details because for security reasons, I don't want people to know how to bypass it if we put the information out there very easily. I guess it's fair for those who have spent the money and bought it that we keep it confidential, and whoever buys these kits, I hope they don't spread the word how it works. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Thank you.